Hello and welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a character inside of Maya. And so the whole process from start to finish is going to be inside of Maya. That's the modeling, UV mapping, texturing, lighting, rendering. We're not going to be using any of the software like ZBrush, Substance Painter, Keyshot, Toolbag, whatnot. Everything's going to be done inside of Maya. So anyway, first thing we need to do is bring in the reference. So I'm going to hit spacebar there, and in the front view here I'm going to go to view, image plane, import image, and this is volume 2, so monster 2. And what do we have? We have this little character here, open. There you have it. We can make it a bit bigger, why not? There we go, and just bring it up. If you want to make it bigger, you can go to this little options here, click on it, and go to settings. And as you can see, we're in centimeters. And so we don't have any numbers here, so we don't know how many centimeters this character is. You can go to display grid, open this little box here, and can you see the numbers here? They're hidden. And if you click on a long edge, apply, close it, you can see some numbers here on the edge. And here in the perspective view you can see some numbers here. So from the ground here, which says 0, to about here it's like 10 centimeters. You can switch it over to inches. Boom, there we go. And so there we go, that says 10 inches now. So it's up to you how big you want this character to be, and you can even switch it to like meters, foot, yards. It's entirely up to you. So oops, we don't want to scale it that way. You want to scale it universal, so make sure you are selecting the center here, this little yellow square. Let's bring this up so it sits on the ground. And so we've got this at about 20 inches high. 12 inches is a foot, basically. 12, 24 is about 2 feet, so he's pretty small. If you want, you can still make him a bit bigger. It's up to you how big you want him to be. So we've got it in inches. You can hit just save, or then just that's it. The box closes, and there you have it. This is our little character. I'm just going to move it across a little bit. Not that it matters because it's not symmetrical. And so there you go. Let's bring him back and Control S, save your scene. And the previous one was Monster Volume 1. Let's click on it, but don't hit save or save as, because you'll overwrite it. So from the volume 1, just click on it and change it to volume 2, because this is volume 2. Bang, we have saved the scene. So the image plane is set up, as you can see, in the front view and in the perspective view. If you want to, you can go to show and switch it off. There you go. So you only get to see it in the front view and you don't get to see it in the perspective view. So there you go, we are ready to start modeling. Also, if you want to, you can switch off these numbers if they annoy you. So display grid, click on it and just hide the numbers, apply and close. Boom, the numbers have gone. Right, Control S, save your scene. So that's where we're at. So we'll end the video here and I will see you next video.